Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is a silver rasbora fish. Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yummy, yummy.
Little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary
Look at this.
Mary
This is
went,
tilapia
and
fish.
everywhere that Mary
Bye-bye.
went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day. School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this an eel? Look at this. Is this a silver raspora fish? Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Uh-oh.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a snow white fish? Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Oh no.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a common fish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yummy, yummy.